87-year-old Dorothy Peters enjoyed a literal drive down memory lane when Land Rover took her off-roading in one of the earliest Land Rovers in existence. Fulfilling a lifelong dream, the retired employee got to go off-road in the vehicle she worked with 70 years ago. The surprise day sparked a wave of emotional memories. And here's her beautiful story.
I think it was July 1946, and of course it was called Rover then. We hadn't heard of Land Rover. So my mother came with me to the factory and see what jobs there are. And I was 15 and I had little white ankle socks on and sandals. Well, I kept this identity card, and inside it says, staff, Miss D-Beds, service department. Oh, gosh. Those are friends, and that's one of the Land Rovers. Oh, that is silly. That one is of me posing.
I was doing a presentation for the 70th anniversary of Land Rover. Well, then suddenly this very charming lady came up and said, "Oh, I've got some old photos from back in the day."
I just sort of showed him this photograph, and I couldn't believe the reaction.
And I said, "Well, you know who owns that Land Rover, don't you?" She said, "No idea." I said, "I do." We're going to take this Land Rover, number 16 off the production line, to Dorothy Peters, who used to work with this vehicle in the service department 70 years ago.
Is that the one that's on your photo?
Hey, Dorothy. I thought I'd bring an old colleague to see you.
Oh, and it's green because my photo's in black and white. And I couldn't remember what the colour was. You kept saying the number 16. Does it mean it was the 16th
16th Land Rover made. And you said you wanted to go around the jungle track.
Yes.
Well, we'd better take her around the jungle track, hadn't we?
Am I dreaming?
Welcome to the jungle.
Oh, yes. What a splendid idea to do this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going home. That's amazing. This vehicle can cope. There's the water we're going through. Oh, I want to tell everybody about this.
Hi, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. Hello. Don't cry, because you know we'll all go for it. We've not been in it before, obviously.
No, I've never driven in a Land Rover, ever. Around the factory, the ceilings were so high, or birds used to nest and you'd get birds' eggs. Land Rover itself would say that, got that special feeling. Thank you everyone that's made this possible. So grateful for it. I'm going to go all